Hi guys, this is Abhishek here. Welcome to my channel Abhishek Tech Talk. So in this particular video, let's discuss about one another trigger question that is asked in many interviews. So like write a trigger for create follow-up task 2 days after lead creation. Okay, so it's very important question that is asked in many freshers and experienced developers face-to-face interviews. So let's solve this question. So I just log into my word and open the developer console. You can open developer console by clicking on setup and then open the developer console. So firstly we have to create a trigger on a lead object. So I just created lead object. Then because after the lead creation we have to create another uh, like task object record. So for that we have to use after insert event. Then I just check in. Then under this we have to pass class name and method sorry. So my class name is lead trigger handler and my method name is I already created like create follow up task. Okay, so I just then we have to pass something from here. So for that we have to pass like newly created records, because after insert like when we insert any record then only and like newly follow up task should to create. So we have to pass this newly reinserted records. For that we have trigger.new. Okay, there is no need to pass like IDs. We can fetch from here, but there is no need. That's why we just pass the list of new records. So here we have to fetch that records like new lead list. Okay. Now the task is like we have to write a code like bulkified so that it can be used for multiple record insertion as well. Okay, means bulk insertion. For that I need to create firstly a list for task. Okay, a new task, so that I will after all the like leads creation I just added all the tasks in this particular list. Then all the tasks I will insert by click or insert one operation, so that it will help us to like don't pass or governor limits as DML operations. Okay, so it is the best practice. So I need to traverse one by one lead. Let's traverse lead le dot then newly created lists. Then we have to select new task. Then like because we have to create new task, then I just write down task T and new. Then here we have to pass some field name like subject, follow up, OID, ID dot activity date. So activity date we have to create like after 2 days. Okay, so for that I just use date dot today. Okay, and like I just use add days function and pass 2, because after 2 days it should to like activity that should do after 2 days of lead creation. So that's why I just added. And now after the task is like after the values passed into the task, I just add this task in this list. Okay, then I check new task list is empty. Insert, insert task list. What is the error here? I don't know where is error. Let's find out. Eight, number of it. Okay, let's try to save it again. Variable doesn't exist. Okay, okay, this is new task list. 13 number, insert task list. So I just insert this one. So already like I just write down the wrong name of the list. That's why the uh, error comes. So let's save our trigger as well and try to create a new lead. Okay, this code I will provide you on PDF, and that PDF you can find out below this description box. Okay, so you can access that PDF by through the link, and you can also download that PDF. So let's open lead and let's click on new. Write down some name like Manoj Kumar Jain. Okay, and company name is like Bricks Minds, and anything else there is requirement, not at all. So let's save it. Then after creation this lead, one task should to create automatically. So let's check. So this follow-up task automatically created. So that means our trigger is working very fine without any error. So this code I will provide you this PDF, so you can access from there. So I hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any doubt, then please comment out below this video, and I will like answer your query or your question. So please like this video and share with your friends, family, and colleagues. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.